Tomorrow is a snowstorm. Guys, everybody bundle up. Stay safe out there. And I brought some items. Item number one. Item number one. Die! These are little brownies from Hostess, your sweet shop brownies. M&M's and milk chocolate candies. So, we're going to try these items, and these will be good items for you to try at your own snowstorm. So anyway, I'm going to take this first one out. As you can see, it's very controversial to the picture. There's no M&Ms on the sides, and there's only like 4 on the top, so it's kind of disappointing. A little bit spicy, I have to say. But overall, good survival tool for surviving a blizzard. Okay. Sit that down. Next! This is a Clip Bar. Energy, protein, berry pomegranate, chia. Alright guys, protein bars are key. So, and it's nutrient for sustained exercise. Okay? This might not look appetizing to some people. Gives you a lot of energy, guys. Remember, you gotta eat healthy, and you gotta stay safe out there. And there's a storm, you know? Okay. Finally, and for the enjoyment, some Chips Ahoy, alright, guys? If you didn't know, Pipsqueak is a huge fan of Chips Ahoy. I just opened that bad. It gives you a taste of good cookies, right? So, yeah. These are really the only items you need to survive a blizzard. So, yeah. Peace out, Pipsqueak out. Please subscribe.